Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to get back Safari to home screen. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first one to this, go ahead and open the settings application on your iPhone. Now scroll down, locate and click on screen time. Once you select screen time, scroll down, click on content and privacy restrictions. Then after that, locate allow apps and features, click on it. Now locate Safari here and make sure this is enabled. You'll be prompted to enter your screen time passcode, then go ahead, type in the screen time passcode, and then you're good. Now go back to the app screen or app menu and then swipe around. Then the Safari is going to be added after a couple of seconds, as you can see. Now I can now drag and drop the Safari on the navigation where it normally is. So just press and hold it to move it around and then drag it here. Click outside and then you're good. So that's exactly how to get back Safari browser on iPhone to the home screen. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.